Hello everyone, Attorney Lee Marvin here once again for another exciting video that's gonna dazzle you and provide very good information for you, okay? I've been practicing immigration law for over a decade and I love doing these videos. I get requests for videos all the time, and this particular video is a request that I have been receiving and I've finally got around to doing the video, okay? So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you may be watching this video because you're going through and you saw it looked interesting, but subscribe and click the notification bell because I have a lot more videos that I think you will like and you will find a lot of value in. So subscribe please and click the notification bell so you get notified of future videos, okay? So again, Attorney Lee Marvin. So the video I'm doing today is a requested video. Okay, it's can I get married on a tourist visa? Okay, so very relevant to a lot of people. We've done a lot of different videos about international dating, fiancé visas, and things like that. So this video goes along with a lot of those videos. So again, subscribe, check out the other videos. So you should also wait to the end of this video because there are some tips that I'm going to provide to you as it relates to tourist visas, marriage, things like that, okay? So basically, the question, can I get married on a tourist visa? That's the wrong question. That's not really what people mean when they ask that question. What they mean is, hey, can my significant other come here on a tourist visa? Can we not only get married, but can we file for a green card? That is the real question. So the answer to both of those questions is, yeah, you can, but it depends. So getting married in the United States isn't really that challenging, okay? It depends what state you're in because all marriages are based on state law. It's not a federal thing, so it's not an immigration thing. It's based on local state law. So if the state that your significant other or your sponsor lives in says you can get married in that state, then you can do it. In most states you can, okay? It's not really tricky to be able to get married in the United States. It's what you do after that. So getting married and moving forward with a green card process in the United States based on a tourist visa, technically it's possible. And I say it like that because everything comes down to the administration and whether they're going to create problems for you. So the Trump administration, I didn't have any problems with that administration as far as people moving forward with the green card request based on tourist visa. I have, however, had a problem under the Biden administration. So bringing humanity back to immigration doesn't always translate into easier immigration, okay? So the Biden administration is very, very tough on people who enter on tourist visas because they are trying to resolve the issue of the border catastrophe that's been going on for a while. One of the ways that Biden has figured out how to address that issue is by denying people left and right and upside down on processes, even if they legally enter the country. It seems counterintuitive, but that is how the Biden administration is handling a lot of these immigration processes. So, tip, okay? Here's a very valuable tip for you. If you enter on a tourist visa, you get married, and you want to file for the green card without leaving and doing the fiancé visa, which is the way they prefer that you do it, you can succeed. But you better do it while you're still in your proper status on a tourist visa, okay? So that's tip number one. Tip number two, and this is a big deal, there's a thing called a 90-day rule. If you've never come across this, maybe you don't need to, but you might want to research it. The 90-day rule says if you have a tourist visa and you enter the United States on that tourist visa, anything you do after 90 days will not jeopardize your filings. Meaning, If you come in with the intent of being a tourist, that's great. That's what a tourist visa is. But if you come in and you get married and you file for a green card within that 90 days, well, that could be a problem because immigration now says, wait a minute, you're violating the rules of a tourist visa. You're using a tourist visa as a fiance visa. Not going to happen. So immigration will give you significant problems if you do that. Equally, tip number 3, if you enter and if you don't move forward with your green card request until after your tourist visa stay expires, you got equally horrible problems, okay? Because the Biden administration says, we don't want you abusing the immigration system. And if you overstay, that's the big thing. If you've overstayed your visa, we're going to crucify you for that, okay? So 1, don't do it within the 90 days. 2, don't do it after your stay is expired. Usually you have about 6 months in the United States based on tourist visa. So you got that sweet spot between the 90 days and the remainder of that 6-month period to be able to file for your process. This stuff is golden. If you're watching this video and you've ever tried to do this stuff in the past, you've gotten the door slammed in your face. This video is going to help you be able to move forward with your process and get us an approval and a green card. But those tips are crucial for somebody, okay? Why am I giving you this information? Why am I giving you all the trade secrets? Because I want you to succeed, and because I think immigration law has been so harsh for so long that it's about time somebody gives some pointers to people so that they can succeed. Most of the stuff, I'll also say, it's not designed for you to do yourself. So although I'm giving you this critical information, I hope you're not doing this yourself, because you probably will fail and you'll regret it, okay? Because I've had countless people coming to me after the fact, hey, Attorney Marvin, can you fix this? Sometimes I can, a lot of times I can't. So this is a caution for you. This is how it's supposed to be done. Don't mess it up. Don't do it yourself. Go to an attorney for help. It's not worth screwing it up. I do it a lot for people. So if I'm that attorney, I'm awesome with that, okay? You can come to me. You can call us, and just now I listed our phone number and how you can reach out to us for a consultation, how you can go ahead and hire me to help you with this process. I'm here to help you succeed. I want you to succeed, and reaching out to us is the way you do it. Again, subscribe, go to our website. We have a lot of really good information on there and on our YouTube channel. I want you to succeed. I want to be the one to help you succeed with your immigration process. So reach out to me. Have a good day.